At 5, there's breaking news that's now coming in. This is to do with Jammu and Kashmir, and there seems to be a revival as far as separatism is concerned, or at least that's what the J&K Lieutenant Governor believes. While speaking at an event in Udhampur, Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha has come out and said that looks like separatists have activated themselves in Jammu and Kashmir. He says they spread both hatred and pick up guns against humanity, also calling for united efforts to defeat them.
अलगाववाद के कुछ संरक्षक फिर से सक्रिय हो गए। इस बात को याद रखिएगा कि गोली चलाने वाला तथा उसे बंदूक थमाने वाला दोनों ही आतंकवादी हैं और दोनों की सजा वही है जो मानवता के दुश्मनों की होती है। अलगाववादियों का समूल नाश ये हमारी प्रतिबद्धता होनी चाहिए। इस संकल्प को साकार करने के लिए सभी बलों तथा सेना के साथ बेहतर तालमेल के साथ हमें काम करने की आवश्यकता है। मैं पुनः एक बार आज दीक्षांत समारोह में शामिल सभी प्रोफेशनल डीएसपीज को हृदय से बधाई देता हूं। पिछले
Tejinder, my colleague, now joining us, getting us more perspective. Tejinder, the efforts of the police, of the Jammu and Kashmir police, of the army, of the BSF have all been to ensure that the pressure is kept on infiltration, the pressure is kept on terror activities, terror funding. Now we have the Lieutenant Governor coming out and saying that there seems to be a bid to revive separatism in the valley in Jammu and Kashmir as a whole. Is there a reason he's saying that? Is there any intel that you could share with us of why he believes so?
See, the statement by the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, Manoj Sinha, is significant because he says that efforts for the last couple of days are being made to revive separatism. Because if you remember, since the Article 370 was abrogated on 5th of August 2019, separatism was on its deathbed. But now efforts are being made to revive separatism, though he is having those inputs which he hasn't shared with while he was speaking. But yes, the statements which are being made from the Kashmir Valley by various Kashmir-based politicians in the last couple of days, it clearly indicate that the separatism is being revived by some of them in the Kashmir Valley. Because if you remember, for 30 long years, Kashmir suffered because of Pakistan-sponsored terrorism, Pakistan-sponsored separatism in Kashmir Valley, and those shops have been shut since 2019 when Article 370 was abrogated. If you remember, since Manoj Sinha took over as the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, he ensured that all those white-collar people who were supporting separatism, who were supporting terrorism while maintaining their government jobs, those people were identified and they were sacked from their services. But recently, when two officials were sacked by the government, by the Jammu and Kashmir administration, there were demands from various elected representatives and political leaders in Kashmir Valley that this should stop. These people should not be sacked because they were involved. They were involved in those anti-national activities which the security agencies had given the inputs to the Jammu and Kashmir administration. But having said so, the separatism in Kashmir Valley is on a rise, which is stated by none other than but the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, Manoj Sinha. Yes.
Right, Tejinder, thank you so much for getting us the latest on that front. I believe the security agencies, the government of the day, both at the centre and the state, will ensure that there is a lid that's kept on any such bid to revive separatism in Jammu and Kashmir. On that note, time for a quick break here, but we'll be back in just a few minutes. Don't go anywhere.